triggered my interest in IT is that I was doing research, I think for my honors in gender studies, and the topic was focusing mainly on inequalities and also misrepresentation in the workplace. I realized that the reason why there's these inequalities in the workplace, it is because women lack technical skills. And then I took it upon myself to say that in most cases we look at other people to be the change that we want to see, or we look at other people to make a change. It's easier to point someone to bring solutions. However, in my case, I decided that in order for me to see that statistic of inequalities in the workplace where there are less women in the tech world, I need to be in IT for me to change that status quo. Looking at my journey here at Forge Academy, if it wasn't because of the opportunities given to me, and if it wasn't because Forge looked internally for people to facilitate, then I wouldn't be here today. My advice to anyone out there is that be on the lookout for learnership adverts on LinkedIn. Follow Forge Academy. The reason I'm saying this is because it is through these learnerships that you get to grow and you get to learn more about cloud computing. And also looking at my journey, this journey has been a great one because Forge invested in me and they believed in my abilities. The other thing that I like about Forge Academy is that they invest in their learners and they believe in their learners, so they give them opportunities to learn and